Which disc golf discs are actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the real gems. Today, we're uncovering the top contenders just for you. Product number 1, MVP Neutron Trail Driver. Let's kick things off with the MVP Disc Sports Neutron Trail James Conrad Edition. Priced at $23.73, this disc caught my eye with its ability to cater to a wide range of skill levels. If you want to master different shot shapes, this is worth a serious look. The Trail is a stable understable distance driver, making it ideal for hyzer flip drives and turnovers. It boasts a speed of 10, glide of 5, turn of -1, and fade of 1. This means you can achieve incredible distance while still having control over your throws. With over 100 sold in the past month, it's clear many players are gravitating toward this disc for its versatility. Now, some users have noted that the disc can be a little too understable for strong throwers. Here's the thing though, if you're still refining your technique, that slight understability can help you develop your throws. It's not a deal breaker for intermediate players who want to improve. This disc is perfect for you if you're looking to expand your shot variety. Skip this one if you prefer a disc that's strictly stable and not forgiving at all. For the price, it offers great value, especially if you want to enhance your skills. Now, if the understability of the Trail wasn't your thing, this next option might be even more aligned with your needs. Product number 2, Innova DX Valkyrie. Next up is the Innova DX Valkyrie Golf Disc, available for $13.27. This disc is a favorite for many newcomers transitioning to intermediate play, thanks to its impressive glide and distance capabilities. If you're aiming for those long throws with ultimate control, this one's worth considering. This means you can achieve great distances, especially on tailwind drives. With its forgiving nature, it allows you to unleash your power without losing accuracy, which is crucial as you improve. However, some players have pointed out that it might turn too much if thrown by beginners or those with slower arms. But honestly, that's part of the learning curve. If you have a bit of throw speed, you'll appreciate how it helps you learn to control your shots better. This disc is perfect for you if you're looking to push your distance while still refining your throw. Skip it if you're not comfortable with a disc that might turn over on you. For under $15, it's a fantastic choice to enhance your game. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those straight woods shots. Product number 3, Innova Halo Star Fox. Now let's talk about the Innova Halo Star Fox Disc Golf Midrange, priced at $26.50. This disc really surprised me with its glide, making it a strong contender for anyone looking to enhance their mid-range game. If you want precision and distance combined, this deserves a closer look. The Halo Star Fox features a speed of 5, glide of 6, turn of -2, and fade of 1. This means it can carry farther than most mid-ranges while still allowing for tight, controlled shots. The unique two-tone design not only looks good, but also offers excellent durability, a plus as you play more often. Some users have mentioned that it might not be as stable as they hoped for powerful throws. Here's the thing though, if you're still developing your technique, that slight instability can actually help you focus on your form and make adjustments. So it's not a negative if you frame it that way. This disc is perfect for you if you need a reliable tool for those straight woods shots or controlled turnovers. Skip this one if you want something that can handle headwinds effortlessly. At this price, it's worth the investment for a reliable mid-range disc. Now, if you're looking for a pure distance driver instead, the next disc on our list has you covered. Product number 4, Innova DX Destroyer. Coming up next is the Innova DX Destroyer Distance Driver, priced at $14.28. This disc has been around since 2007 and remains a benchmark for distance drivers. If you're serious about maximizing your distance, you'll want to pay attention to this one. It's incredibly fast and stable, making it perfect for players who can generate a bit of power. The DX plastic is also affordable and can be manipulated to your liking as it wears in. Some complaints have surfaced about its suitability for newer players due to its speed and stability. But honestly, if you're at the intermediate level, you'll find that it can help you push your limits and learn how to throw with more power. This disc is perfect for you if you want a disc that offers maximum distance and reliability. Skip this one if you're just starting out and prefer something more forgiving. For the price, you're getting a tried and true distance driver. Now, if you're looking for a reliable putter for your short game, our last product is just what you need. Product number 5, Discmania Sensei Putter. Finally, let's check out the Discmania Active Premium Sensei Disc Golf Putter, priced at $12.64. This putter is all about reliability, making it a great option for those tricky approaches and short-range shots. If you want consistency in your putting game, don't overlook this one. The Sensei features a flight rating of Speed 1, Glide 3, Turn 0, and Fade 1. This means it offers a very stable flight path, perfect for those who want to make confident putts. The active premium plastic gives it a nice grip and feel, so you won't have to worry about it slipping from your hands. Some players have noted that it might be a bit too soft for their liking. Here's the thing though, that softness can actually aid in grip and feel on those crucial putts, which can be a game changer when you're in a tight spot. This disc is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable putter that won't let you down. Skip this if you prefer a firmer feel in your hand. For the price, it's a solid investment in your short game. So there you have it, the MVP Neutron Trail, Innova DX Valkyrie, Innova Halo Star Fox, Innova DX Destroyer, and Discmania Sensei. Each of these discs has its strengths tailored for intermediate players. Whether you need distance, precision, or reliability in your game, there's something here for you. Make sure to choose based on your specific needs, and happy disking.